We learn from our mistakes, that's true. And it's also true that experience is the best teacher. Pero experience is the most expensive school. So minsan tayo ganito yung mindset natin. Hindi na lang ako mag-aral niyan kasi pwede ko naman matutunan along the journey yan eh. Though this is true, matututo naman talaga tayo sa journey natin. Pero kasi totoo din na ito yung pinaka-expensive sa lahat eh. Mas expensive pa yan sa mga international schools mo. Paano ko nasabi? Kasi 7 years akong nagnenegosyo. And iba-ibang negosyo na din yung pinasok ko. So every time nagkakamali ka, you lost time and money. Time is basically money too. Kasi every time you lose, you lost chance to earn money. Then you also lost money sa pagkakamali mo. Imagine, wrong investment. Eh di you lost money. Wrong location ng restaurant na tinayo mo. Di, you lost money. Wrong market, wrong marketing strategy. Those include time and money. Pwede mo